students. In today's video, I am going to explain functional isomerism. It is one of the important topic under isomerism. So already I have uploaded chain isomerism, positional isomerism, metamerism. So this is my next video, functional isomerism. First look into the definition. Compounds are having same molecular formula but differ in their functional group. So already I have discussed about functional groups, which is acid, which is alcohol, aldehydes, ketones, everything I have given. So please go through that and come back to this videos, then you can understand more better. So now see, look into the definition one more time. Compounds are having same molecular formula but differ in their functional groups. So it is possible between, so these are all I have written, alcohols and ethers. Between alcohols and ethers, functional isomerism possible. And the second one is thio alcohols, thio ethers. Thio, sulfur compounds, sulfur containing compounds, we call it as thio compounds. Thio alcohols, thio ethers. Carboxylic acids, esters, hydroxycarbonyl compounds. And the fourth one, aldehydes and ketones. Each and every concept I will give you with suitable example, with perfect example I will explain. So alkynes and alkadines, these two exhibit functional isomerism. Cyanides, isocyanates, nitroalkenes, alkyl nitrites. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines. And the next one, aromatic alcohols, phenols, aromatic ethers, aldoxynes, estamides. All frequently asking questions in exam, NEET, mains and advanced also. Based on that I am making this video. Each topic I will give you clarity now. Okay, let's begin first topic, alcohols and ethers. Everybody know what is alcohol functional group, what is ether functional group, right? See, alcohols, what is the functional group, students? Yes, suffix name, prefix names, all points we have discussed. OH group. Alcohol is nothing but OH group, right? Alcohol, OH group. Ethers, oxygen. Alcohols, OH group. Ethers, single oxygen. Single oxygen. See, I am taking one molecular formula here, general molecular formula. CnH2n plus 2O. Okay. This is with this molecular formula, we have to write same molecular formula. We have to write alcohols and ethers. Okay. So let me take, okay, one N equal to 2. N equal to 2. What is the coming output? C2. Yes. H6O. Right. C2H6O. With this we are writing. Alcohols and ethers. CH3. CH2OH. 2 carbons having alcohol is nothing but ethyl alcohol. Am I right? Now, ether. Ether, what I said to you, ether, single oxygen. How many alkyl groups? 2. One this side, one this side. That's it. So easy. This is what we call it as dimethyl ether. And IUPAC name also had given. This is methoxymethane. See, alkoxy, alkane. Here, methoxymethane. This is methoxy. Methyl group oxygen, methoxy, and this root word methane. That's it. Clear, students? Same molecular formula. See, C2H6O. Here, how many carbons? 2. How many hydrogen? 6. How many oxygens? 1. Here also same. Right, same molecular formula but 2 different functional groups we have written. This one we call it as functional isomerism. Hope clear this topic. Now go to the next one, thio alcohols, thio ethers. Thio alcohols and thio ethers. Thio alcohols and thio ethers. Thio is nothing but sulfur containing compounds. Sulfur containing compounds. That's it. Can we write now? Okay, general molecular formula. Instead of oxygen, just you can write, instead of oxygen you can write, yes, that's it. CnH2n H2N plus 2. There we have written oxygen. Here we are writing sulfur. That's it. Now C2H6S. C2H6O. C2H6S. Can you try? CH3, CH2, SH. Instead of oxygen, SH. What is this? We call it as thioethanol. Thio alcohol. Thio alcohol, what is exact name? Thioethyl alcohol. Thioethyl alcohol. With this ether we have to write thioethers. Ethers is nothing but sulfur, right? Instead of oxygen, yes. Same story. CH3, CH3. What is this name? Thiomethoxymethane or else dimethyl thioether. Dimethyl thioether. I am writing common name, IUPAC name both. Okay, thiomethoxymethane. Thiomethoxymethane. Now, next one, third category, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids and what I have written, students, above, esters and hydroxycarbonyl compounds. Hydroxycarbonyl compounds. Okay. What is general molecular formula? Acids. Acids is nothing but two oxygens. Oxygen, single oxygen. In aldehydes case, single oxygen. But what about carboxylic acid, students? In carboxylic acid case, we have two oxygens. Okay. I am writing here general molecular formula. CnH2n O2. Two oxygens is nothing but definitely acids, acid derivatives. Acids, acid derivatives. Now, take one example here. If you substitute N equal to 2, C2H4O2. With this molecular formula, we are writing carboxylic acids, esters, and next one, hydroxycarbonyl compounds. CH3, C double bond O, OH, right? How many carbons? 2. How many hydrogens? 4. How many oxygens? 2. Satisfied. What is this guy name? Acetic acid. This is common name. What is IUPAC name? This is chain terminating functional group, right? So then what is this? Ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. Now, next one with this ester. Ether completed. Ester. Ester, anyone have idea? Ester, like this. CH3COO, like this group we call it as ester. Is it molecular formula satisfied or not? Check it. Yes, it's satisfied. What is this guy name? Methyl methanoate. Methyl, this is methyl. This is also chain terminating functional group. So methyl methanoate. That's it. Or else you can call it as methyl formate. Methyl formate. Next one. What I said, hydroxycarbonyl compounds. Hydroxycarbonyl compound, that is aldehydes. We are writing aldehyde. See, what is aldehyde? C double bond OH, right? CH2OH, like this group. Hydroxy OH, hydroxycarbonyl compounds. 2-hydroxy, what is this guy name, students? 2-hydroxy ethanol, EAL. This is 1, 2, chain terminating functional group. This is not whole. It is not alcohol, aldehyde, suffix name EAL. Okay. Now next one. First time learning time it's little difficult, but once you understood these topics, it's very easy. Your own you can write. Okay. Now try this one. This is one of the confused topic. That's the reason I'm giving two examples here. C3H6. Now CH3, first acid you can write CH3, CH2, C double bond O, OH. Right? 1, 2, 3. That's it. How many oxygens? 2. How many hydrogens? 6. Satisfied. What is this guy name? What is this guy name? Propionic acid. Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid. Now, next one. What is this? CH3 ester. C double bond O, O. Ester group. If you want, you will write. I'll write here RC double bond O, O, R. This is ester group. Here are alkyl groups. Okay. Next one. What is this? Hydroxycarbonyl compounds. I said to you, hydroxy aldehydes you can write. Hydroxyketone also you can write. This is, what is this? What is this guy name, students? Methyl. This is methyl ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. Okay. Next one. Hydroxycarbonyl compounds. CH2OH. And this is CH2 C double bond OH. That's all. Aldehyde. This is aldehyde. What is this aldehyde name? Hydroxyaldehyde. Or else 1, 2, 3. So what is this guy name? Yes. 3-hydroxy propanol. Propanol, AL, ketone. We'll write with this ketone also. Okay. CH2OH, C double bond O, CH3. It is satisfied or not? Check it. C3, yes. H6, here 3, 2, 5, 1, 6. Next two oxygen satisfied. So this is what we call it as hydroxyketones. Okay. Now what is this? 1, 2, 3. So what is this guy name? Hydroxyketone, or else what is this? What is this? One hydroxy 2 propanol. 1 hydroxy 2 propanol. That's it. Now next one. Aldehydes and ketones. It plays very important role. Every exam they are asking aldehydes and ketones. Alcohols, ethos plays most important role. First case and this one also. Fourth case. Aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Ketones not chain terminating. Aldehydes chain terminating functional group. And unsaturated alcohols also we are taking. Unsaturated alcohols, enols, ketones, like this. I'll discuss tautomerism time. Okay, what is general molecular formula here? CnH2nO. And one example, let me write. It starts with 3 carbons. I will take C3H6O. Then we can write ketones. That's why I am taking C3. 3 carbons. CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. This is what we call it as propanol. What is this? Propanaldehyde, or else propanol. Propanol, NaL. Instead of A, if you put OL, that's all. It is completely wrong. This is aldehyde group, chain terminating functional group. Please go through the functional groups namings and all, and then come back to this one. Next one, keto. CH3 C double bond O, CH2. What is this guy name? Yes, propanone. Propanone. This is keto form. This is enol form. Okay, I'll write that ketone enol form also. I'll write later. Tautomerism explanation time. Here, end of this one. Keto form. This is aldehyde form. This is aldehyde form. So one best example I am giving students, C4H10O. Based on this, we have number of questions. Separately I am going to explain this topic after this video. Everybody must watch and practice. Recent NEET exam, 2020 NEET exam, based on this we have questions. And every weekend whenever student write alcohols, phenols, ether second year chapter and first year chapter, they are asking this one C4H10O, how many alcohols, how many ethers they are asking. Next video I am going to explain that one. Okay. Now next one. Alkynes and Alkadines. Alkynes means triple bond, right? Alkynes. Alkynes and Alkadines. Alkadines. Now tell me CnH2n minus 2. Now what is this example? Okay, C3H4. CH3, first write alkyne. CH3, how many carbons? 3. Okay, now see second carbon, between second carbon or first carbon, we have triple bond. We have triple bond, C, triple bond, C, carbon having 4 bonds, right? This is, what is this guy name? Propine. You no need to write one propine. It is chain terminal. No, it is not chain terminal. It is terminal group. 1, 2, 3. That's it. It is terminal. It is a terminal. Propine. Okay. With this, we have to write alkadines. Can you guess what is this alkadine? Yes, 3 carbons only we have to take it. 1, 2, 3. Dienes means here double bond, here also double bond. That's it. CH2, CH2. Right, students? Here no hydrogen because carbon satisfied 4 bonds, right? So C2, C3H4. That's it. What is this one name? Alkadine. What is exact name? Propanol. Propanol. Okay, that's it. Now C4H6. Can you write C4H6? See, look into this example too. C4H6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Okay, double bond. Anywhere you can write. Okay, here. That's it. 1 butane. This is what we call it as 1 butane. Rest is hydrogens. You have to fill hydrogens, right? That's it. Here no hydrogens. Already it has 4 bonds. Here 3, here 1, right? 1 butane. Butadiene. You'll take it, see, are dienes. How to write? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here double bond, here double bond. That's it. CH2, CH2. Okay, here you will get hydrogens. Here you will get hydrogens. What is this guy name? 1,3-butadiene. Clear, students? That's it. Now next example, cyanides and isocyanates. Cyanides, this is also one of the frequently asking question. Cyanides and isocyanates. Sixth one. Cyanides and isocyanates. CH3, C triple bond N. Wherever nitrogen is there, it forms 3 bonds. This is what we call it as methyl cyanide, or else IUPAC name ethane nitrile. Ethane nitrile 1. This is also chain terminating functional group. That's why we'll write ethane nitrile. Okay. Now next one. With this, what is this molecular formula? C2, H3, and with the same molecular formula you can write isocyanates of CH3, N triple bond C, volta, just these, volta, that's it, reverse, that is isocyanates. This is methyl isocyanate, methyl isocyanate, okay, CH3, okay, N triple bond C, right? So what is this? Methane, methyl isocyanate. Now next one. It is very easy. Ethyl cyanide, ethyl isocyanate. We are writing different. Propyl isocyanate, propyl cyanates. We'll write like this. Now go to the next category. Nitroalkanes. nitroalkanes and alkyl nitrites and alkyl nitrites. Okay, you'll see this one. Or else you can take it CH3 group, CH3 N, double bond O, this is single bond. This is, what do we call it as? Nitromethane. What is this? Nitromethane. With this we can write another one, CH3 O N double bond O. See, here also nitrogen 2 oxygens, here also nitrogen having 2 oxygens, but arrangement through nitrogen here, through oxygen here. Linkage is different. This is nitroalkanes, this is alkyl nitrites. Okay, that's it. Now next one, primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Most of the students, they will confuse here. I will give you one logic here. What is that? Primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines are amines. Okay. Now look into this. If you have taken ammonia, see ammonia H3 group here, one hydrogen replaced by R, replaced by alkyl group. That's it. What we call it as R and H2. This is primary amines. And 2 hydrogens replaced by 2 R groups. R and H are hydrogen. This is secondary amines. Now, next one, if 3 alkyl groups replaced by 3 hydrogens, then what you will get? Yes, this is tertiary amines, right? Tertiary amines. That's all. These 3 also functional groups. This is a different name. Your primary amine we are calling, your secondary amine we are calling, your tertiary amine. These 3 also functional isomers, same molecular formula. I will give you one example. See, same thing. Primary, secondary, tertiary amines. CH3, CH2, NH2. Totally how many carbons, your students? 2 carbons. How many hydrogens totally? Yes, 7 hydrogens, 1 nitrogen. This is what we call it as 2 hydrogens. No, simple it is. Ethanamine. Ethanamine is primary amine. With this, can you write secondary amine? Secondary amine. What is secondary amine? 2 methyl groups. That means NH, CH3, CH3. Right? Now, better you will take 3, then you will understand more better. CH3. Then what is this molecular formula? C3. How many hydrogens? 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. That's it. Now here CH2, CH3. This molecular formula. This is secondary amine. Look into this, calculate hydrogens. Carbons 3, hydrogens how many here? 3 plus 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 1 nitrogen. Clear? Now tertiary amine. Can you write with this tertiary amine? Tertiary amine is nothing but 3 alkyl groups, right? Nitrogen, here, 3 alkyl groups. How many carbons, students? Yes, 3 carbons, right? So 3 carbons, here, totally 3. Tertiary amine, tertiary amines. Now next one, the last one, aromatic alcohols. One more is there, that is aldehydes. That is actually little tricky, but aromatic alcohols, it's very easy, simple also. First I will show that one. Aromatic alcohols, the category, what is the which part it is? 9th part, right? Aromatic alcohols. Aromatic is nothing but which is having benzene ring. See, aromatic alcohols. Benzene ring CH2OH. Aromatic alcohol, right? And with this molecular formula, phenol. I am writing phenol. This is phenol. Okay. This is cresols. Actual names is cresol. This is phenol only. Phenol substituent. Only OH is nothing but phenol. This is methyl phenol. Methyl group. 2-methyl phenol, or else we call it as cresols. Orthocresol. Next one. With this we are writing ethos. Ethos. That's it. OCH. What is this molecular formula? C6. Total you can count at a time. How many carbons? This ring 6 carbons, but outside 1 carbon is there. Totally 7 carbons, right? How many hydrogens? Actually 6 hydrogen, but here one, instead of 1 hydrogen this group is there, no? Here 5, 2, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, and 1 oxygen. Here see, here carbon, 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 carbon. 6 carbons, 7th carbon, 7th carbon. How many hydrogens, students, here? How many hydrogens? 4 hydrogens only. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1, 8. Why here 2? Instead of 2 hydrogens, these groups are there, no? Yes, satisfied this molecular formula. Next here carbon. Instead of 1 hydrogen, OCH3 group is there. Next is totally here also C7H8. This is aromatic alcohol. Actual name, this is benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol. This is aromatic alcohol. This is phenol. This is what we call it as orthocresol. And this is what we call it as methyl phenyl ether. Methyl phenyl ether, or also call it as methoxybenzene. Methoxybenzene, or also call it as anisole. This is common name. Any name they will ask. That's the reason all the names I have written here. Now in this video, the last topic, what is that? 10th one, amides and oxides. Acetamide and aldehydes, ketones. Oxides. Okay. Now amides. Amide group is 3, C double bond O and H2 group. Okay. Oxides is nothing but CH3, CH and double bond NOH. This group we call it as oxides. Acetamide. Okay, so with this functional isomerism, all type of questions I have covered, but which plays very important role, especially alcohols, ethers, aldehydes, ketones, primary, secondary, tertiary amines. Most important, it plays most important role. Theory examination they are asking, even competitive also. Cyanides, isocyanates also they are asking, but most important, alcohols and ethers, aldehydes and ketones. Okay students, thank you, thanks for watching. And next video, C4H10O, how many alcohols, how many ethers possible, and what type of isomerisms it exhibits, is a chain or positional, with single concept. So many questions they are framing. All the questions I'll give you answers. Okay students, thank you, thanks for watching. So please subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, thank you.